the one other thing we want to touch upon here is how we negate these forms. Now, with the regular form of the verb, we say, I don't want to kill, or he will not kill Hal. What do we do to yiktol? Not he will kill, but if we want to say he will not kill, we say lo. He will not kill. All right, Hebrew uses a different way of negating these volitive forms. Okay? So if I want to say, may he not kill, or let him not kill, I don't use lo, I use a different word. I use the word al. Aleph, I'm sorry. I knew that didn't look right when I wrote it. There. Al, not all above, but al. No. This is upon. This is not al upon. This is al not. Used with, this al is used with jussive forms and cohortative forms. Yes.
It is proclitic then?
Yes. It is stuck on the front, just like lo is. It is usually attached with a makef. I'm sure that you can find examples of it not attached, just like with lo. So you don't depend on it, but it's probably more often attached than lo is. Probably more commonly attached than lo is. So al is used to negate these. Now here you do have one problem. This both helps you and also creates a little bit of a secondary problem. So if you've got lo yiktol, you know that you have, you're going to take that most often as he will not kill. Okay? If you have al yiktol, this is going to tell you that even though the form is the same, yiktol, this is an expression of will. Okay, let him not kill. Let him be merciful. Let him not kill. So here, at least in this form, you know this is a jussive because it's used with al. You get one other way of expressing a negative wish in Hebrew that's a slight variation on this, using lo. And that is lo with the imperfect is sometimes used to express a form of command also. Okay, so we see lo used as up here as the indicative, meaning he will not kill. Al used with the jussive, meaning let him not kill. And now we get one other variation on the use of lo we might as well deal with since we're talking about negatives. Hebrew often uses lo with the imperfect, I guess I should finish pointing it, to express a kind of a stronger or more permanent wish. To kind of strengthen the wish. So you will see these kind of forms also translated something like do not kill, as if it were a command. This really means something like let him never kill. In other words, the lo is used not in an immediate sense, but in an extended sense to negate the wish. Here's an easy way to think about this. I'm not sure it's easy, but is a different example at least. The Hebrew word naga means to touch. We had that? Okay. So if I wanted to tell you in Hebrew, if I wanted to say the second person form tegah. This is first nun So the second person form would be tiga, second person imperfect. Okay, so he will touch. Now if I wanted to say to you, the burner is hot, don't touch it. I mean sort of urgent, right now, this minute, don't touch it this instant. I would say in Hebrew, al tiga, don't touch it. If I wanted to say to you, don't ever touch that. I mean, this equipment is expensive. Don't ever touch it. In Hebrew, I would say, lo tiga. Okay? So if I wanted to say, so if I want to express an immediate command, sort of immediate sense, we do it using ow. If we want to express a sort of permanent, don't ever do it kind of thing, like don't take any wooden nickels. Don't ever take any wooden nickels, or don't ever say that to me again. My wife says all the time. She uses this form with lo. All right. Now, I mention this because what form do you think the Ten Commandments are in? Yeah, they are low forms, not owl forms. In other words, this expression, this is expressing kind of a, and the difference here, sometimes some grammars say that this is a stronger wish. It's stronger in the sense, particularly of duration. Where this is more immediate, this is more long-term. So it's stronger in that sense. But they both prohibit you from doing, are sort of expressions of not doing something. In a sense, see, this is more just like the indicative. He will not do it, ever. Or in this case, you will not do it, ever. There's not that much difference between saying don't do it and you will not do that. So if that helps to think